you see on the screen are called the HUD. This indicator shows your character's health status. The map helps you navigate in this part of the HUD. You can see this shows the weapon that your character is currently holding. To change it, tap the icon. Tap this button. To perform any action with an item, tap on it and choose an action from the drop-down. Try tapping on the shovel. You are doing great! Now take a look at the action buttons on the right. Use them to run and to jump. Double tap the run button. Go ahead and try jumping. To enter a vehicle, you must first unlock it. Approach the vehicle and hold your finger on it until a circular menu appears. Then tap the button to open the vehicle. Great! You've unlocked the car. Now get in by tapping the button. The center section of the speedometer displays various indicators, including speed, damage level, and fuel tank level. It also features buttons that you can tap to start the engine, close the doors, and turn on the headlights. Try starting the engine. You can hide the speedometer by tapping on it. The joystick for steering the menu can be accessed by tapping the button at the top of the screen. The report feature allows you to ask the admin any questions you have about the game. The navigator will help you get directions to any location on the map.
Here's our first stop, the driving school. This is where players get their driver's license, which you'll need to get behind the wheel. During the quest line, you'll definitely come back here to earn your first driver's license. This is the government building, where you can get a passport and access other services like registering your own family. And this is the car market, where players buy and sell vehicles. Be sure to check it out in the future. You can find many unique cars here. This large quarry is the Stone Pit. Here you can mine various resources and earn money for it. The resources you gather can be sold on the marketplace or used to craft different items, skins, accessories, and even vehicles. Here we are. This is the bus station. You can stay here for a while until you buy your own house or apartment. By the way, you'll soon get help to earn some quick cash, so you won't be here for long. Well, it's time for me to go. Good luck to you.